Hello, babies, my little learners. How are you today? Good. So, are you enjoying your classes? अब तो मज़ा आ रहा होगा नहीं, बिकॉज आपको रोज़ रोज़ तो सोशल्स नहीं पढ़ना है. ओनली ऑन ट्यूसडेज, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे, राइट? सो जैसे हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करते थे, इजंट इट? सिमिलरली हम अभी कर रहे हैं. ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडेज को ही आपको आते हैं सोशल्स के सारे मटेरियल्स, राइट? सो you must be enjoying it. Okay, now we are learning about our country, right? So till now, whatever I have told you about our country, whatever introductions I have given to you, and the information that I have mentioned in the last class, I hope आप सबने वो नोट कर लिया होगा अपने नोटबुक में. आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो इसलिए मैंने उसका पीडीएफ भी शेयर किया था, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द टेक्स्ट बुक लेसन टुडे. सो वी आर फर्स्ट गोइंग टू do the first page of our country, lesson number 6, page number 71. Let's read it out. What is it written over here? Dear children, our country has a rich cultural heritage. What is the meaning of heritage? See, it is given in the last page also. The history, culture and tradition of a society. What is heritage? History, culture and a tradition of a society is known as heritage. So our country has a rich culture. That means rich tradition and the culture of the society. It is also known by different names such as Bharat and Hindustan. So India का मतलब क्या है? It is the word derived from the Sanskrit word Indus, right? I told you in the first class in the introduction कि India का मतलब, India is a Sanskrit name derived from the word Indus. It also has different names such as Bharat and Hindustan. चलो, भारत is good. भारत किसके ऊपर है पता है? भारत is श्री रामचंद्र थे ना, उनका जो भाई था भारत, उसके नेम के ऊपर इंडिया का नाम है भारत. And Hindustan. What is Hindustan? I told you in the last class. Hindustan is a Persian name, right? It is a Persian name which means land of Hindus. New Delhi is the capital of India. So New Delhi is the capital of India. You remember मैंने आपको टास्क दिया था ना, होमवर्क, कि आपको इंडिया के सारे स्टेट्स के नाम लिखने हैं विथ इट्स कैपिटल, उसके कैपिटल्स भी लिखने हैं. सो इंडिया इज हैविंग टोटल 28 states and 8 union territories. इन सब के नेम्स और कैपिटल्स आपको लिखने हैं. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. व्हाट इज दिस? मैच द फॉलोइंग. चलो, लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन मैच. फर्स्ट वन, national flag. What is our national flag known as? It is known as Tiranga, right? So first we will number the boxes. Box number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, दूसरी साइड भी हम boxes को नंबर करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Accordingly, now we will match the columns. National flag. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga. So what is our national flag? It is Tiranga. Box number 1 matches with box number 2, Tiranga. So match national flag with Tiranga. Done? Chalo, number 2. National animal, that is राष्ट्रीय जानवर. Everybody knows this, isn't it? सबको पता है ना what is our national animal? What is it? Yes, box number 4, tiger. So tiger is our national animal. Box number 2, national animal, matches with box number 4, tiger. Now, box number 3, national bird. Which is our national bird? It's a beautiful bird. Which is it? Yes, it is peacock. So, box number 3 is national bird. It matches with box number 4, peacock. Done? Okay, now next is box number 4, national flower. How many of you know which is our national flower? कौन सा है हमारा national flower? No, it is not rose. It is a lotus. Lotus is our national flower. ठीक है? So box number 4, national flower, matches with box number 5, lotus. Now, number 5, national fruit. Which is our national fruit? ये तो सबको पता होगा. Everybody loves this fruit. ये गर्मियों के सीजन में आता है, वेकेशन में. Any guesses? Yes, it is mango. Number 5 matches with box number 3, mango. So let me tell you once again. National flag matches to box number 2, Tiranga. National animal on left hand side box number 2 matches with right hand side box number 4, tiger. Left hand side box number 3, national bird, matches with column B, box number 1, peacock. Column A, national flower, matches with column B, box number 5, lotus. Column A, national fruit, box number 5, matches with box number 3, column B, mango. Done? Okay. Now, as we do in all the lessons, what I do? सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? We write the new words, right? That you are going to learn in this lesson. So, shall we write the new words first? And I will tell you the meanings also accordingly. साथ साथ में मैं उस words की meaning भी बताऊंगी आपको. So, pencils in your hand. Open your notebook. Now start writing. Number 1. Heritage. HERITAGE. See, it's written over here. It's written over here. Heritage. Right? Heritage. Number 2. Ready? Now write down. Number 2. Heritage का मतलब आपको पता है ना मैंने? Traditions and culture of the society. Right? Okay. Now, number 2. Culture. C-U-L. See, it's written over here. C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Culture. What is the meaning of culture? Sanskriti. किसी भी जगह की संस्कृति या कल्चर, वेशभूषा, पहनावा इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ कल्चर, राइट? चलो, shall we move on? Number 3, Bharat. Write down number 3, Bharat. 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 Done? Now, number 4, Hindustan. 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 Number 5. Number 5 is national. This one. NATIONAL. National. National मतलब राष्ट्रीय, which belongs to a nation. जो किसी भी नेशन को बिलोंग करने वाला नेशनल होता है. Number 6, symbols. Symbols. See, SYMBOLS. Symbols. What is the meaning of symbols? Nishan, चिन्ह, right? Different symbols. So national symbols means राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह. We have many national symbols which we will be discussing it in details. Now, number 7, prosperity. See, PROSPERITY. Prosperity. Number 8, courage. See, courage. 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 Number 9, sculpture. Sculpture. Look here. SCULPTURE. Sculpture. Sculpture का मतलब कोई मूर्ति या कोई बनावट, राइट? प्रॉस्पेरिटी का मतलब खुशहाली. हमने लिखा ना अभी 7 नंबर में प्रॉस्पेरिटी, उसका मतलब होता है खुशहाली. करेज का मतलब होता है हिम्मत. नंबर 8 में हमने करेज लिखा ना, उसका मतलब हिम्मत. नाउ 9, स्कल्पचर. इसका मतलब होता है बनावट. कोई भी मूर्ति या मंदिर, किसी भी चीज का बनावट इज नोन एज स्कल्पचर. नाउ नंबर 9, कल्प वृक्ष. KALPVRIKSHA. कल्प वृक्ष, which means banyan tree. जो banyan tree होता है उसका दूसरा नाम is Kalpavriksha. See, Kalpavriksha, banyan tree. Number 11. Currency. 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 Currency मतलब the money. Currency is money. So हर country का अलग अलग money का sign होता है ना. So India is also having national currency. Now, number 12. Sacred. 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 Sacred मतलब पवित्र. Now, number 13. Patriotism. 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 Patriotism का मतलब देशभक्ति. And the last one, number 14. Freedom. 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 Done? जो लोग नहीं लिख पाए हैं, don't worry. I'm going to send the spellings attached with this video. Okay? So that is all for today. Catch you up in the next class.